Alright guys, we're fixing to do the green. Alright, this is what the green looks like. And we're getting ready to pour. Well, you know. Guys, we're back. We've laid out the green. Now we're fixing to do the purple. Just gonna wipe this off, clean this off really good. There's the purple color. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get started. Try to do a row each, and then I'll bring you back for the next color, because I know y'all get bored sitting here. This is a long process. I'm just trying to make do. This is tedious work, very tedious. It takes patience, it takes standing up. When I get my studio, I'm gonna have it where I can sit down, because this is crazy. Alright, let's do some purple flowers here. Okay guys, we're back and we're going to do our red. Laid the purple and the green out. So we're on to the red. And so far, this is what they look like. If you can see the colors, this is what they look like in here. These are the hearts. And these are the candy ones. You can see the pink and the white. I need to do some more white, but this is what they look like. So we're going to keep going until we finish. Well, I got to do a white, and I need to do an orange. So we're gonna try these two, and then we're gonna that's it. After that, I'm done with the embeds because these are so tedious. After that, we're done, and I'm going to see what's what, and we're gonna lay out our designs. Alright, let's heat this up just for a second. And then we'll start laying out our candles and stuff like that. But that might be tomorrow, because right now I'm tired. I am really, really tired. This has been a 3-day process and getting embeds left and right. And I'm tired. I am padoop out. And I'm going to get my fragrances together. It might be Friday. It might be Sunday when I come back, because Saturday I have something to do. But it might be Sunday, it might be Monday. Don't know. Just depends on how I feel. I added my next 5 pounds of wax in here, so I'm letting that melt. It just depends on how I feel today. I might do 1, might do 2, don't know. And then I might do some candles that don't have any embed. So I might end up doing that today as well. But we will see. It just depends on how everything's, is melting and how everything goes. So that's just where I'm at right now. Alright, we're set to go. Let's wipe. And then we're going to do a couple of them, and then I'm not going to let you sit here because it's tedious. It is just tedious to do this. And I don't want you guys to be bored. I just want you to enjoy. Enjoy. And we'll figure it out as we go along. I just like to pour and whatchamacallit and be done. This is something new that I'm doing, because someone told me I need to bedazzle my candles. So I'm going to bedazzle my candles. I like to just pour it in there and be done. That's just how I like to do it. But we'll see. We will see. And then I got to learn how, I've got to melt and whip some icing. So I'm just not ready for that part yet, but we'll get there. We will get there. Slowly, but eventually we'll get there. I know I'm getting tired though. I'm very tired. So I'm going to top some of these off because these are a little low in there, and I didn't realize that happened. But they will still be green. I like multicolored stuff, so but anywho, I'm not gonna bore you guys, so I will bring you back. Okay guys, we're back. Here's the next color. This is supposed to be like a golden color. We're gonna get those in the hearts and the molds. And I forgot to unmold these, so you get to see me unmold these right quick, because I need these molds right quick. These are my succulent molds. And these are how they looking. This is what they look like. If you can see, they turned out really good. It's just a soap chip, a wax chip. But they turned out really, really good. And let's look at these. Oh, I still got 2 in here. Oh, I got these out. But we're going to go through this right quick. Alright, and these, what these look like. These, what these look like. They're so cute. So cute. That's what these look like. So now we're going to go ahead and move on to our wax in here. This is a golden color, or butter color. But we're going to do a couple of these, and then we're going to call this a day, y'all. After this, we're just going to call it a day, because this has beat down. This has really whooped me. I still got to do my white, but I think I'm going to turn everything off, and we'll pick up on tomorrow. Well, that's because I still got to get this done. And we'll lay out all our candles and see what they're going to look like. go from there. Because I am tired. My back is hurting. And my arm is hurting. So we're gonna make do with these for now. And we're gonna try something different on tomorrow. And I'll go ahead and lay those out tonight, and then we can start tomorrow. I get them cleaned and washed, and we start on those tomorrow. Right now, I'm just tired. But anywho, I will see y'all on tomorrow. Y'all have a wonderful, blessed night. Goodbye. Please like and subscribe. Please tell your friends, your neighbors. Give me a thumbs up. See if I'm doing a good job. Go to the website at www.edmsoaps.com. Go get yourself some soap. And continue to like this channel. Comments. Feel free to comment. Nice only. Y'all have a wonderful and blessed day.